Have you ever felt like 24 hours just isn't enough? Like no matter how hard you work, you're either too tired, too distracted, or too stressed to enjoy life. Well, what if I told you that one of the world's greatest investors, Warren Buffett, follows a simple life formula that keeps him wealthy, healthy, and peaceful at the same time? It's called the 8+8+8 rule, a timeless principle for balancing productivity, rest, and happiness. In this video, we'll break down what this rule is, how it works, and how you can use it to redesign your life for maximum success and fulfillment. Let's dive in. Part 1, the foundation, the 8+8+8 rule. The rule is simple but powerful. You have 24 hours in a day. Buffett suggests dividing them into 3 equal parts. 8 hours of work, 8 hours of sleep, 8 hours for personal growth, relationships, and self-care. That's it. 8+8+8. This formula creates a balanced life portfolio, not just a financial one. Because in the end, what's wealth worth if you don't have the health or peace to enjoy it? Part 2, first 8 hours, hard work. The first 8 hours are for hard work, your professional and productive time. Whether you're a business owner, employee, student, or creative, these hours are your investment in your future. Warren Buffett says, the best investment you can make is in yourself. But hard work doesn't mean burnout. It means focused effort on what truly matters, not busy work. Here's how to make the most of those 8 hours. 1. Plan your top 3 priorities daily. 2. Eliminate distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications. 3. Work in focus blocks. Try the Pomodoro technique or deep work sessions. 4. And with reflection, ask, what did I move forward today? Think of your work hours like planting seeds. The better you plant, the stronger your financial forest grows. Part 3. Second 8 hours, good sleep. The second 8 hours are for good sleep. Buffett is known for keeping a consistent routine and valuing rest, because rest fuels results. Science backs it up. Your brain clears toxins, your memory strengthens, and your creativity renews when you sleep well. Here's how to upgrade your rest. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Create a calm, dark, and cool sleep environment. Practice gratitude journaling before sleep. It clears your mind. Remember, success isn't about how long you stay awake. It's about how effectively you use your waking hours. Part 4, third 8 hours, the balance zone. The final 8 hours are the heart of the 8+8+8 rule. These hours determine your emotional balance, spiritual peace, and personal growth. Buffett's formula divides these 8 hours into 3 groups: 3FS, 3HS, and 3SS. Part 5, the 3FS, family, friends, and faith. The first category, 3FS, focuses on family, friends, and faith. Buffett has often said that true wealth is measured by the people who love you when you're old. Spend time connecting deeply. Not just scrolling, not just texting, but truly being present. Whether it's having dinner with family, checking on a friend, or spending quiet time in reflection or prayer, these moments fill your emotional bank account. Part 6, the 3HS, health, hygiene, and hobby. Next, we have 3HS, health, hygiene, and hobby. You can't build a strong financial empire in a weak body. Buffett famously drinks Coca-Cola and eats burgers. But don't be fooled. He walks regularly, keeps his mind sharp, and rarely lets stress dominate him. Your health is your life's engine. Take care of your body, maintain personal hygiene, and never stop doing what makes you happy. Your hobby, whether it's music, gardening, writing, or painting. Hobbies heal your mind and remind you of life's beauty beyond work. Part 7, the 3SS, soul, service, and smile. Finally, 3SS, soul, service, and smile. Your soul needs nourishment just like your body does. Take quiet moments to read, meditate, or simply breathe. Then comes service, giving back to others. Buffett pledged to give away 99% of his fortune, not for recognition, but for purpose. And don't forget the last S, smile. It's free, contagious, and healing. A smile is the smallest act of kindness that changes someone's day, and yours too. Part 8. How to apply the 8+8+8 rule in real life. Let's make this practical. You might not get the perfect 888 balance immediately, and that's okay. Start small. Track how you currently spend your 24 hours. Adjust your schedule gradually. 30 minutes here, 1 hour there. Protect your sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. Schedule family, health, and joy into your calendar. Just like meetings, balance is built daily, not overnight. Conclusion, your life's balance sheet. At the end of your life, no one will ask how many hours you worked. They'll remember your laughter, your kindness, your presence. The 8+8+8 rule isn't just a time management hack. It's a life management philosophy. 8 hours for growth, 8 hours for rest, 8 hours for living. Do this every day, and you'll not just make a living, you'll make a life. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who needs balance today. Remember, wealth means nothing without health and peace. Start your 8+8+8 life now. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to click the thumbs button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.